Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. As seen on the title, today I want to talk about a 1955 Chevy BelAir. And it's not only a regular BelAir, it's a one owner, 18,000 original miles, 55 BelAir. Very, very iconic and representative from the 1950s. This car, at some point, it was repainted using the original colors. All of the chrome and stainless in the car is original, in excellent conditions. As you can see, the bumpers are super shiny. It has single exhaust with a very nice exhaust cover. The chrome bezels around the tail lights are in excellent conditions. And as you can see, the paint shows no flaws whatsoever. There is not one single paint touch-up, scratch. The car is in excellent conditions. This car is for sale. So if there's anybody interested in buying a 1955 BelAir, this one is up for sale, and you could give us a call, 305-783-0755. We're located in Miami, Florida. Back in 1955, Chevy introduced for the first time to the American population the small block V8, but they also had the reliable 6-in-line 235, which is the one that this car has been equipped from factory. Very, very nice original 6-in-line engine with the original generator, 6 volts, carburetor cleaner, 1 barrel carburetor, oil filter, original radiator, original horns, battery in the original position by the firewall. This car, as you can see, is 100% original to the bone. It has your ignition coil, points, condenser, spark plugs, very easy engine to work on. Even a baby can work on this car, tune it up, rebuild the carburetor if it needs to, which is not the case, but very, very nice car. Front bumpers are in excellent conditions. Same thing as the grille of the car. Headlights, bezels around the headlights, and of course, your daytime running lights or turn signals. We're asking for this car $29,500. Once again, we're located in Miami, Florida. This is an 18,000 documented miles. I purchased this car from the original family, and the car has been in the same family since 1955, up until a couple of weeks ago when I purchased the car. I've known about this car for a very long time, and I told the family if they ever decide to part ways with it, to give me a call and give me the opportunity to be the first one to buy it. They did, and here it is today. Original hubcaps from 1955, the white wall tires, very nice and representative from the 1950s. This car has no fender skirts. Fender skirts was an option that people used to purchase back then. This one, exactly what you see, it's exactly how it came out of the factory. Coming into the interior, once again, original interior. The interior in this car has not been reupholstered. They did not do a full restoration on this car. They only painted the car on the outside, and the interior is original. Not only the seats in the back, but also the ones in the front. Original 1955 dash. As you can see, not that many options to choose from back then. You have a radio in the center. You have a clock in front of the passenger seat, and the original 1955 cluster and the big steering wheel with the chrome ring in the center for the horn. 3-speed on the column, original door panels. I want you to take a look on the door skins. Here you can see the original paint with some stickers for maintenance that they did in the car. And over here you can see the difference from when the car was painted. This is the original blue paint, and then this is the new paint after they painted the car. That has been the only thing that they did to the car. They repainted it using the original color combination white on the roof, blue on the rest of the body. Something that I would like to show you guys, in 1993, they did oil change to the car and it showed 13,593 miles. That was done on August 15, 1993, and they registered 13,500 miles. And as of today, July 21st, the car has 17,604 miles. What an amazing piece of American history that anyone wanting to have this car as an investment, as a joyride to go out on weekends with your wife, your kids, your family, and spend time, good quality time, can have. When it comes to the trunk, as you can see, very nice trunk emblem. And take a look at the inside of the trunk. This is original cardboard with the original paint. As you can see, the paint is a little faded, but that is the original spare tire in the vertical position. Jack instruction, original jack still in the car. Very nice car. If you guys like originality, this is one amazing car. Right below the car or underneath the car is as nice as the rest of the car. No rust whatsoever. I've already gone through this car. There is no rust, single exhaust, as you guys can see there. Once again, we're asking $29,500 for this car. You could give us a call, 305-783-0755. Don't forget to please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. Over here you have your gas tank filler. Very, very nice car. It's a basic BelAir, not too many options, no power steering, no power brakes, no power seats, no power windows. 235, 3 on the column. Very basic BelAir, but when you drive it, it drives like a brand new Chevy. You literally transport yourself back to 1955. There's no play in the steering column. There's no rattling noises. All of the door panels are in excellent conditions. All of the glass roll up and down. As you can see, even the dome light on the headliner turns on when you open the door. I want you to take a look at the conditions of the seats, not only the one in the front, but also the backrest of the front seat. Amazing conditions. As soon as my daughter got in the car, she told me, wow, Dad, this car is very well taken care of. Very nice original upholstery. The upholstery has not been redone. They purchased this car in 1955 and they put it away. They only drove it to the library where the original owner of the car used to work. She used to work at a public library very close to home, and her husband had the same car, but it was a V8 with a power glide transmission. Her husband was a general contractor who, according to the family, drove more miles, so he needed something more comfortable, more power in order to reach higher speed. So the woman drove a 6 inline and the man drove a V8. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car and let you guys listen to that engine. Oh, I forgot I had it in gear. There's no smoke coming from the rear. Single exhaust, very quiet. Take a look one more time at this beautiful 235. Nicely painted, has never been rebuilt. Very nice car, guys. Once again, don't miss the opportunity of owning this 55 BelAir for an amazing price. $29,500, less than $30,000. This car could be yours. and we can help you with transportation and shipping. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget once again to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and give us a call, 305-783-0755. God bless you all.